Hey guys, Thomas here from Scopious IoT. Today we're going to be talking about adding your first gateway to the Scopious platform. As you can see here, we are logged into the platform. We currently have no devices added and no gateways added. To begin with adding a gateway, we will go to the Gateways tab on the left here. See here we have either a list view or a map view. Both of these are unpopulated. But once we add a gateway, you will see you will start getting gateways in the list. To begin adding our gateway, we first need to give this gateway a name. So this will become Next, we need the gateway EUI. So we can grab this from the gateway itself. To do this on a milesite gateway, you will just need to go through the basic setup, and the login details are admin password. Once you've done that, we will just need to set. We are only using one external antenna on ours, and then we can skip the rest. And we can see here we are set to AS923, which is always good to double check, just in case someone's already changed your gateway or anything like that. We go to our gateway here, copy the gateway ID, or it is on the side of the box or the unit itself, and enter it in. Leave the network server as Scopious. Use Asia 920 to 923. You will need to give the gateway a description, such as and now this button here, setting the gateway location, this will use the Google location services on whatever device you're adding the gateway from. This will use those services to determine where you are currently and pre-fill these latitude and longitude and altitude. The gateway may later update this location with its own location. This step here is very important. You need to download and keep this CUPS key in an accessible place, such as maybe a drive where you're going to keep all these files. Because once you generate this CUPS key, you can't generate a new one. You will have to delete the gateway and re-add the gateway from scratch. So I will just download this key. And then I can close out of it. The next step requires going on to whatever gateway you're using. In our example, we're using a milesite gateway, but if you're using any others, you can follow along and just enter the basic station details in the required fields on your gateway. So we will go to packet forwarder, add a new packet forwarder, disable the existing packet forwarder, add a new packet forwarder, select basic station, get the URI. You can find access to the URI and the trust file on our knowledge base. I will just get our trust file. It's important on a milesite gateway to hit import, otherwise it won't actually write the file to the device. And doing the same step for for the cups key. Get the cups key, import that, and then save and apply, or the equivalent on whatever gateway you're using if it's a non-Scopious approved gateway. From there, if you give the gateway a minute, it should show as connected in the Scopious platform. So if we refresh by going to map view, and we refresh the page now, and we'll see it's now last seen currently, and you'll have a detailed thing. And if you want to edit or delete this gateway, you just click into it, modify and delete there. You can drop into map view. You can here set for the gateway location to update from the status messages. So then you can save it, and if you would like to update the placement, you can change from unknown to outdoor or indoor. This doesn't affect any of the functionality of the gateway. It is more so for coverage prediction. And thank you for watching this tutorial. If you need any information, feel free to look at our knowledge base or follow some of our other walkthrough videos.